Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to fix that the battery level on the left and right earbuds are different in your AMAZFIT Up earbuds. So actually this issue is quite common, and to fix this issue at first you need to focus on your phone. If you do have an iPhone or Android phone, you need to just restart it, but if you use, for example, a PC or laptop or something else, you have to unpair your device from it and then restart your device. That's how it unfortunately works. And once the device is restarted, check if the battery level is the same. If it isn't, you need to now open the case, plug, and place both earbuds in the case here. Close the case, take the cable, plug the cable into the case. So they work here, click and the LED light, and once LED light is turned on, you need to wait for a few hours until both earbuds in the case are charged to 100%. Then use your earbuds for some time and check if there are any differences in the battery levels. If there is any difference, you need to now unpair your device from your phone, then pair it back again. And as a last resort, you need to contact device support because your device is broken and the battery in the left or right earbuds are just broken, or the sensor that reads the battery, just the device is broken. And that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.